Discover the charm and historical significance of Princess Diana's childhood home. Imagine stepping into the enchanting world of Althorp House, a grand estate that holds a wealth of history, art, and nature. This summer, Earl Charles Spencer has welcomed the public to explore the residence where his sister, the beloved Princess Diana, grew up. On his Instagram announcement, the Earl emphasized the opportunity to immerse oneself in over 500 years of aristocratic British heritage. This limited-time opportunity runs from July 3rd to August 31st, 2025, offering visitors a chance to walk through historical gardens, marvel at stunning artwork, and dive into the extravagant lifestyle of the past. However, here's where it gets thrilling. Guests can use QR codes placed in certain rooms to listen to an audio guide narrated by the Earl himself, providing fascinating insights into each piece of art. But here's the heartwarming surprise. Visitors also have the chance to stroll around the estate's lush grounds. One of the highlights is the poignant memorial temple dedicated to Princess Diana, a serene and beautiful tribute to the late Princess of Wales. This temple recently received a fresh coat of paint, and fans can see the profound words engraved on its walls, including a moving excerpt from the Earl's eulogy at Diana's 1997 memorial in Westminster Abbey. It's a place where fans often leave flowers and heartfelt messages in memory of Diana. A thought-provoking moment? While visitors can enjoy this touching tribute, Diana's final resting place remains a private, serene island in the center of the Oval Lake, accessible only by boat. This secluded location was chosen for its utmost privacy and security. Originally, Diana was scheduled to be interred at the family vault in a nearby church. But ultimately, the decision was made to honor her in the private, tranquil setting of Charles's estate. In an additional security measure, the bridge to the lake was dismantled. What do you think about the decision to keep Diana's resting place so private? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.